How to make a conch shell. Materials you will need: 1. A conch shell. 2. A hacksaw. 3. A hammer. 4. A piece of sandpaper. 5. A screwdriver. Next, you will measure a 1-inch hole to make a cut in your conch shell. After doing so, you will use your hacksaw to cut the hole. And this is what it should look like. Next, you'll use the screwdriver to get the inside of the conch shell out. Then, use the sandpaper to smooth the surface. My conch shell had a hole, therefore I had to do an extra step, covering the hole with Bondo.
See how you stop and it blows? So just...
Thanks for watching. Good luck on yours.